We're in Nassau in the Bahamas. Last year, we flew a 100 drone show in celebration for their 49 years of being independent. This year, for celebrating 50 years of the Bahamas independence, we're taking it to another level to create a magical moment for everybody here. We have 500 drones, and we're gonna do some iconic imagery that can celebrate the Bahamas. Fully 3D, sweeps across the sky. It's gonna be the largest show this country has ever seen.